morning, folks. Chef Qazi here, and today I'm in my work, and let me show you how I make one cake that mixed with carrot, zucchini, okay, few almonds, cranberry, sour cream, eggs. Okay, let's start. So folks, this is my ingredients. Let's start here first. It's 2 cups of flour, okay, and then 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 1 cup and quarter sugar, okay. This is light olive oil. Cup of milk. 1 whole lemon juice. This is the vanilla. 3 eggs. 1 cup of zucchini shredded and cup of shredded carrots. And lemon zest is there. Okay? So that's all cake. I mix the baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon powder together. Lemon juice, vanilla, milk, oh, I forgot. I'm going to add quarter cup of sour cream also. So use this pan. So folks, here you go. This one I can bake in the oven 350 degree for 50 minutes, okay? So I'll be back after 50 minutes. So while the cake is baking, I'm going to bake that cake with the butterscotch sauce. So let's prepare the butterscotch sauce now. In low heat, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. The restaurant is busy, so still I get a chance to prepare this one and show you guys. So I have to do it very quick. Around 3 tablespoons of soft butter. Normally we have to use the unsalted butter, but this is the salted butter, okay? So around 3 tablespoons. That's all. All right, folks. So here you go. This is your butterscotch sauce, okay? Going top of the cake. So here you go, folks. Cake is ready. And I glaze with the butterscotch sauce.